If you watched the first video, you know why we're here. Yep, it's time for the messy and boring part, the cleanup. I hope I won't bore you too much though. For that, I made a small presentation at the end of the video for you guys. I'd appreciate if you stick around. Thanks again. I watch YouTube videos. A lot of them. Sometimes, I think they're already messing up my brain. So trust me on this restoration. I'm a bit of an expert YouTube watcher. Here, of course I'm cleaning the parts with a wire wheel on a homemade bench grinder. Nothing new there. Next, I'm still cleaning them with a steel cable that I have laying around like a small wire brush. It works best on steep corners and deep holes. You already know that trick, don't you? Come on, man. Is that supposed to be organized? And a lot more cleaning. This time with the lacquer thinner. Wait, that said made in Taiwan. Well, that's new. Everything are made in China nowadays. Right? So, does that make this Vise probably a vintage one? Well, no. I don't think so. Now I'm taping the parts and cutting the tape with a dull blade. My messed up brain. For the paint, well, I just bought a cheap can spray from a hardware store nearby, and it says steel gray. It looks more like blue to me though. That's what you get from buying cheap stuff. But it turned out it's almost the same color like the original Atlas lights. So, at the end, I think I kinda like it. Here I'm cutting some rusted thick flat bars that I have laying around for the jaw plates and cleaning them up a bit. I'm temporarily assembling the vise to mark the holes for the plates so I can have them lined up. As I mentioned in the previous video, I didn't bother welding the broken parts anymore because I might worsen the alignment problems. That's why you can still see the ugly welded parts there. Oh well. Now I'm drilling holes in the plate. We'll later tap them so they can be bolted to the jaws, like good dentures screwed to the gums. Yeah, that doesn't sound right. I'm sorry, guys, if I talk too much. I was thinking of using the old knobs, but I changed my mind. It's just like in life. If you've been changed, cleaned up, fixed, you're basically a new person. It's not good to keep the old messed up parts of yourself. All things have passed away, and behold, all things have become new. That's a quote from Apostle Paul. Plus, a shiny steel knob will look better on this. This is one of the skills I acquired by being a long-time YouTube watcher. I hope I pulled that out, Master Old Tony. I'm about to assemble the whole thing now, so here's a song to accompany you guys. Enjoy.